is Mrs. Kim, and in Mandarin it's 金老师, and this is my classroom. I've been in this classroom for 1 year because it's a new school, but actually to be exact for 2 months only because we've been doing distance learning all year, and it's been 2 months since March, end of March, we came back to hybrid learning. Not every kid came back, and I'm a 3rd grade teacher, but I am teaching 2nd and 3rd combo. It's very complicated how all that happened, but I'm here to get ready for the summer, pack up, and also get everything ready to take to a new classroom because next year I'm actually going to a new school. So I've been a Mandarin Immersion teacher for the past 5 years, and I'm moving on to be a Korean Immersion teacher next year. And so, to briefly talk about my background, I'm a Korean native who grew up in China, which is why I'm trilingual, Korean, Mandarin, and English. And so I want to move on to be a Korean Immersion teacher, so that's very exciting for me. And so I'm going to pack up and show you some of the things I have in this classroom. Are you ready? So here's the front of my classroom. My desk. I bought these from Lakeshore and they're so pretty. Letters from A to Z, and for each letter there's something there we could read. A for always be kind, B for believe in yourself, choose happy, do the best you can, and just keeps going. K, kindness can change someone's day, very true. Practice positive thinking, value who you are, and just all of those that we can read together as a class and for the kids to be motivated and all of that good stuff. These are some posters from Lakeshore. I love all of these. And this one we made a Mother's Day card. We wrote Happy Mother's Day, 母亲节快乐, and this was a drawing we did for Earth Day. And here are some posters for Mandarin. So in 3rd grade, the kids learn multiplication, a very important year to master that. And so here are some different strategies that they can solve multiplication problems. Yes, more multiplication and division. My 3rd graders master this. Very important skill before they move on to 4th grade. And here's also something from Lakeshore. I can put the flashcards or any words. So this is Mandarin word 历史的历, history, and then I could put it up here and for students to review and all of that. And of course we have these shields to protect all of us from COVID. All the students each have one too. And this is the curriculum that we used for Mandarin, Better Immersion, and one of the math curriculums too. And I started collecting these because they had to check them out at the beginning of the school year because we did distance learning. This is the Mandarin curriculum we have for 3rd grade. We read this called the Vocabulary Builder. So after reading, we learn the words from that unit using the character writing book, and the kids learned a lot of words. This is my teacher copy. Here are some words that the students could use to do some writing. There's a total of 188 into these small, you can say flashcards. I also gave each student a copy. So some of the high frequency words. 姐姐妹妹生日 animals 羊马学校老师鸡肉牛肉我们来这里上课你喜欢吃西瓜吗你最喜欢的水果是什么 It's all of that. And these are some high frequency words for 2nd grade. Better Immersion curriculum. I love these posters I got from Lakeshore. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. And this one, be positive, patient, persistent. Very good posters for the classroom for the kids to always see. All right, I'm gonna take down this poster. Help stop the spread of germs. Very important for everyone, especially during COVID times. Do you all do this? Make sure you cough and sneeze into your elbow. Stay home if you're sick. Don't come out. Be safe. Be careful. Ooh, air purifier. They got this for everyone because of COVID. Keep the air safe for everyone, especially the kids. We don't want them to get sick. All right. What next? Oh, more posters. We may all be different, but in this class, we grow together. I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna have a new home in my new classroom. Be bold, be brave, be you. I like that. Oh. Let's go to your new home. You have to be stuck in the storage room for the summer. That's it. All right. And should we take out on these posters first? We have all these kindness posters. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. It's nice to be important. But it's more important to be nice. Amen to that. We have to be nice to each other. And then it says, do the right thing even when no one is looking. Right? Make sure you do the right thing. Okay? Especially when you're alone. You have to be nice and do the right thing, don't try to be mean or do things that are against your conscience. Oh, goodbye posters. Go to your new home. Which one is your favorite? Isn't this so nice?